So the given equation is 4 raised to the square root of x equals 8. So let us solve this. First, we need to rewrite this equation with the same base. We need to express both numbers in base 2. We know that 4 is equal to 2 squared and 8 is 2 cubed. Now this equation becomes 2 squared and raised to the root of x equals 2 cubed. Next, apply the law of exponents, particularly the power of a power rule. So power of a power means multiply the exponents. So we have 2 raised to 2 times the square root of x equals 2 cubed. Now since the bases are the same, we can equate the exponents. We have 2 times the root of x equals 3. Divide both sides by 2. We have x or square root of x equals 3 halves. Next is to square both sides of the equation. So x equals 3 squared is 9 and 2 squared is